Hi you guys, this is Papa Juan with Jacob and Victoria and Juliani. Today I went fishing with my buddy and we caught some rock bass. And this video is to show you how I clean the rock bass. And what better way to do it outside where your house not gonna smell like fish and the wife is gonna be happy. So let's caught this rock bass this morning and we're gonna be ready because we're gonna take all the scale the easy way. After poking myself a couple times, now I got the trick how to do it. So first thing you do, you pre-open the bass inside. You open, get the guts out. And now, don't cut the head yet. If you cut the head, don't cut it yet. Because look at the finger. This is how I'm gonna grab it, hold of the fish. This fish is, it's gonna be easy to handle. So now, I put it right here. I got a good grip. And you can still see there's, so we're gonna start cleaning the fish. Very easy. Look at how easy. I already got one side clean. Didn't took me nothing. Got one side clean. Now we're gonna scale the other side. So it's already clean. Rinse the knife. Give it a little touch again. And now we're gonna do the other side. And same procedure. Grab a hold of the head. Don't cut the head yet. That's where you're gonna handle all the fish is not moving nowhere. Look at how easy, guys. Doesn't get easier than this. That way you stay away from the spines so you don't hurt yourself. And we're gonna have a rock bass today. Gonna fry these bass today. And that's how Papa Juan does it. Hope you like this short video.
Hello.
Stay in touch, guy. And Jacob.
Fish is cool.
Fishing is cool. Goodbye.